Now students, we have the next question and let us proceed with it. We have to convert into paise. Earlier what we learnt? We have learnt from paise to rupees. Now we are going to learn from rupees to paise. 1 rupee is made with how many paise? It's made by 100 paise. The same method, the same rule we are going to follow. That means we are going to follow the cross multiplication and the rest of the sum we are going to do it. See the first one, 4 rupees is equals to how many paise? Again, what is given? Rupees is given to us. In the first column we will write rupees and in the second column what we have to find? Paise. So paise will go into the next column. 1 rupee is made by 100 paise, then 4 rupees is equals to how much? Now students, you need to pay attention over here. Here the numbers are in different column. When the numbers are in different column, you have to multiply. Earlier what we did? We divided it. How? When the numbers are in the same column, you will divide. And here the numbers are in different column, you will simply multiply. So 100 into 4 gives you 400 what? Yes, 400 paise. Now the next one, we have 5 rupees 50 paise is equals to what we will get? 550 paise. Let us see how. Now children, from rupees to paise we have to convert. Paise to paise you cannot convert it. So we will only convert rupees to paise. How? Again, what is given? Rupees is given and what we have to do? We have to convert it into paise. 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise, then 5 rupees is equals to how much? So 100 into 5 gives you 500 paise. Now here our sum is not yet over. Why? Because this 5 rupees we have already converted. Now what about this 50 paise? We will directly add it with this 500 paise. That is 500 paise plus 50 paise gives us 550 paise. Very good children, everyone have noted down? Good. Now the next one. Rupees 40 is equals to 4000 paise. How we will get? With the same method. What is given? Rupees is given. Rupees we will write it in the first column and paise, that is what we have to find, that we will write it in the second column. So 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise, then 40 rupees is equals to how much? The same thing, 100 into 40. Children, for this if you don't want to multiply, there is a shortcut method. How? See, we will write the number 4 as it is and we will add the given zeros to it. 1, 2, 2 zeros from 100 and 1 zero from 40. What is your answer? 4000 paise. You can check it and multiply it. You will get the same answer. Now children, the next and the last question. We have matched the items given in columns A with the limits you will use to measure them in column B. Now see children, few of the items are given to us over here and in your next of the lesson you will surely learn the measurement items. Now here is the first question, milk in glass. How do we measure? You all drink milk, right? Early in the morning when you come to the school, mama gives you the milk. In the glass of a milk, how you can measure? There is a different measurement for the different things. For milk, milk is a liquid item. That liquid item is measured in ml. Then for the next one, height of a giraffe. Giraffe is very tall, right? How are we going to measure the height of the giraffe? We will measure with the meters. M stands for the meter. Then the second one, weight of a car. Not the toy one. It's the big car where we go for riding, right? So, the weight of a car, how do we measure? We measure in kilograms, kg. The short form is kg. Then the next one, petrol in a can. The petrol in a can, it is in a liquid form but more than the glass filled with the milk. So that we will measure in liters. Then we have weight of 1 gram. The weight of 1 gram can be measured in gram because it is in a solid state. And the last one, thickness of your book. You use books for reading, writing, right? How you can measure it? You can measure it with the centimeter. So children, now we have completed our first lesson, that is looking back, and you have to revise it everything, write it everything. Thank you.